Hi, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to RINCO Ultrasonic. My name is Serge, I'm the CEO, and we are standing here in Switzerland in front of the headquarters. I'm thrilled that you want to know more about us and our product. Let's take a tour inside. We are one of the world's leading and innovative company in the field of ultrasonic welding and ultrasonic cutting technology. RINCO was founded in 1976. It's part of a Crest Group company. We have 13 subsidiaries: USA, Mexico, France, Spain, Morocco, Germany, Italy, Denmark, Sweden, India, Malaysia, China, and recently Poland. We employ over 150 highly dedicated members of staff. Our network is not only made of subsidiaries, but also distributors that represent our product and our values worldwide. Our sales partners are across 40 different countries. That makes us really international business. 85% of our turnover is made out of Switzerland. And now, let's have a look to our production. This is our machine shop, where we produce our mechanical parts for tooling, like horn, handle, booster, converter. Our R&D is also located in Switzerland. Having development and production together is hugely beneficial. Now we are back in our new building, which was completed in April 2020. It spans 1,000 square meters. This building houses the mechanical assembling, converter production, and our new ultrasonic competence center. In our ultrasonic competence center, we deliver the best expertise and give the best services to our customers in terms of studies, tests, and validation. In addition to our customer satisfaction and outstanding quality, we are passionate about sustainability and treating our employees fairly. Fairness and respect are fundamental values not only in RINCO's internal matters, but also with our customers and suppliers. It's been a delight to talk to you about our company today. Do you want to know more about us? Then have a look to our website. Goodbye, see you soon.